Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on deleting photos on Mac. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. Open the Photos app from the dock. Right-click or press the Control key while you click on the photo that you would like to delete. Now click Delete One Photo at the bottom of the menu that appears. Click Delete on the pop-up. You can select multiple photos to delete by clicking and dragging the mouse across the photos that you would like to select. You can also use a keyboard shortcut to delete the selected images. Press Command and backspace. When you use the keyboard shortcut, you don't have to confirm the deletion in a pop-up. This makes it quicker. You can hold down the Command key while you select photos to select multiple photos that aren't beside each other. If you would like to select all of the photos, you can press the Command and A keys on your keyboard simultaneously. When you have deleted your photos, they will go to your recently deleted folder, where they will remain for 30 days before they are permanently deleted. If you would like to permanently delete your photos now, then click on Recently Deleted from the left sidebar. You will have to enter your Mac password to enter. Here you have the option to recover photos if you have deleted them by mistake. You can permanently delete specific photos if you like, or you can click Delete All in the top right to delete all of the recently deleted photos. Click Delete on the pop-up. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more Mac tips and tricks.